If you're just getting familiarized with Assemble's project management features, this quick video is going to show you the 4 steps you need to create and share a calendar within Assemble. So once you're inside your project, just go ahead and click the calendar tab here, and this is going to open up your calendar. Now, this may be a blank calendar, or if you are using a template or a sample project, maybe there's some tasks preloaded in here. Either way, just click and drag anywhere on that calendar to create your first task. Go ahead and give that task a name. So we'll just call this storyboarding as an example. And then let's walk through what's included in a task. Beneath it, you have notes where you can add more long form description of that task if needed. And then second, we have the phase. When you set up your project, you're going to decide on the project phases. If you built it yourself, you will have decided these phases yourself. Or if you're using a template, it'll come preloaded with these phases. But you can basically say which phase this task is going to be associated with. And so in this example, storyboarding is likely going to be part of the creative phase. Beneath that, we can also add subtasks. So if you want to add a few tasks in here that are subtasks of the main task, you can add it here. We'll just add a couple in right now. And then finally, up at the top, go ahead and click this person icon, and you can assign this task to whoever's going to be responsible for it. If you've invited teammates, you'll see them here. If it's just you, you can go ahead and just assign it to yourself for now. Once people are assigned to the task, they'll be alerted via email that they've been assigned to that task. You or your team can also come in here at any point and update the status of that task to let everyone know whether it's in progress or done or whatever the status may be. And then at the bottom, you have a comment thread where you can leave comments or tag other teammates and have conversations related to that task. So now that we've created our first task, let's talk about sharing this calendar as a review link. Once you've had the opportunity to add a few more tasks in here and build it out, you may be ready to present it to people outside of your organization, such as a client or another team that you may be working with. If you want to do that, just come up here, click share, and then choose share calendar link. From here, we're going to see a few options. We can track views, we can password protect it, and a number of different things. But let's just go ahead and click create link. And then in the send via email, just go ahead and type in the email of the person you want to send it to and hit enter. And this is going to send them a publicly viewable version of that calendar that they can view with no login required. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek at what that looks like by copying this URL. And I'm going to go ahead and jump to an incognito window. So imagine I'm someone outside of your team that's never heard of Assemble. You send me this link, I click it. And as you're going to see, it just instantly opens up with that calendar. I didn't have to log in. I didn't have to sign up. I can click, I can view task details and many other things from this public review link. Finally, let's go ahead and jump back to the logged in view. And the last step I want you to take here is that once this calendar has been built out, just go ahead and come up here, click these 3 dots and choose sync calendar. This is going to enable you to sync this calendar to your calendar of choice, whether that's Google, Apple, or Microsoft. Just follow the instructions here and this calendar will populate directly in your personal calendar.